Gomoa Centralfuo mo na mo nim nyansa e na mokoto abade ma obi ti se A+ ene A+ mo na ma
abuza from mo nyina makwaba e de Ghana Nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment I hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here.
Gomoa Centralfuo mo na mo nim nyansa e na mokoto abade ma obi ti se A+ ene A+ mo na mato abade ama A+ no na se na issue bi esi na ne constituent aye video abeto abonten a wo gina sa video ni so di mo nyina matem Gomoa Centralfuo mo hoje wate Gomoa Centralfuo mo hoje. Now of course say ya na be because sa A+ ya Kwame obi ya kwabna obesa kwa gina ho organize concert e de Shatawala aba e de sa akodi aba e de artist akese ni ahodo nyina aba na wo mu wura fi we nyina ogoka wo say I am not your regular MP eyem kurasesem na wo ye no you a member of parliament if you don't know A+ eyem kurasesem na wo ye no if you don't know you are a member of parliament for crying out loud you are a member of parliament. Say o constituency bi se bibi ha no waka beto abonten say o constituency no kran se we hu kasa you are the leader edi enti na wo ye leader edi enti ne ye de oba besi wo se wo na ye leader. Why do you think say wo mu vote ma say bra? Why do you think so? Na wo na ya appoint o say kojina parliament kone kojina parliament na kosi ya na mu wo parliament no se bibi ha ye ne aba abonten aba be kasa ye kasa leader. Do you know what a leader means? Leader who need emotional intelligence. Leader who need abotre. Leader they be PF who ma baby na work and cross the same be na work catch woman for. And I don't blame anybody than the Gomoa Centralfuo woman I may blame more. So Gomoa Central say 2028 Mosa koto about the A+ we are. A try how stupid all of you are. Gomoa Central say Mosa kosala koto abama Kwame A+ 2028 e betre say Gomoa Central mo amote kro no mu nyina mote sa constituency no mu nyina no e kire ha wa mu nyina ma adwene wo fom because if some MP etimi kasa di matem say mo MP timi taking on social media e kasa di constituent atem say ya what show say MP we ye MP a wodwene mo ho e de na kire Gomoa Centralfuo e de na kire say A+ you be a wodwene mo ho. Okay, you defending the Hosa Kwabna. I am not your regular MP. I am not your regular MP. Being not a regular MP I am not your regular MP. Being not a regular MP doesn't mean say kankura se semchere o constituency for. Being not a regular MP doesn't mean say kakase fin. Actually, wo mo to abade wo ba ye. If you don't know, if you are not a regular MP, that is not what it means. And Kawoka say you are not your regular MP, no. Can I say your constituency here biano A+ is there for them because the regular MPs for no ye two abamo movie obu ho constituency ho ne na ye be se won enu 5 times on see constituency ho more than 5 times. And Kawoka say wonya your regular MPs no nanka de ekan you are very close to your people nanka de ekan o call for no wo the problem ba you attend to them quickly and then I say you are not their regular MPs. Na MP a wokasa didi atem MP a wokasa didi o constituency asem woma womo to abade wo baaye wokasa di wo matem. Are you stupid? What is wrong with you? And Kwabna, I don't blame anybody than the Ghana parliament. Ghana ye parliament honom no minim ye koso parliament ho because if say a floor member a member of parliament MPP say kasa say the chene man for moto abade man no kasa free say wa montia. I don't know what the standing orders of the parliament minim wo mo mo de adwuma wo ho, but this is below board. This is something that the speaker of parliament must see to it.
Say Gomoa for to abama o na wo ba be ye MP na wo ba be di Gomoa for so wo na wutimi ba bontin be criticize nia government bi aye a wonim say nia government ya ye yi e benefit your mind no much more than wo government na wo praise no oponi hia chipo oponi hia chiu wo captain smart ne si wunya MP a wo bedi ebie na wo MP mu se nye sika na wo ba be pa wo die pa na obetumi a contribute dia ma man Ghana dia na captain smart obetumi a contribute ediama Gomoafo obi onu timi ba bontin beka say MPP better na so anye hwe obi a onu wa ba bontin antime me president MPP say MPP ba amambuomi odi nhihye bi odi nyoma bi se na odi gu akwam ma ne bo man Ghana wonim papa so wakata wani ka bone no okra oti unya MP obedi na napo category eno category eyepe insu atona asobi a wo so pese wo ye MP obi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho insu atona yiri nkofo na asobi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho be gina wo platform so aka tena president John Mani Mahama se insu ato enti ye na ye bibi fa ho no wo gina wo to takre napo o takre napo obi o chichire ni party no o takre no obi o ni amambuo no o takre no se wagidi Dr. Kwame Nkrumah tem Yesu kra ye di na tem na Kwame Nkrumah Yesu ye di na tem na Kwame Nkrumah otumfo kra ye di na tem na Kwame Nkrumah Kwame Nkrumah fighting for freedom no ono nke no fight na ure fi se Kwame Nkrumah she prison ho no o choro letter no o de manimpa na ede ko ye wo na podi Kwame Nkrumah tamti unti bida ba wutimi di na Akufo Addo atam na podi Kwame Nkrumah tamu eni nti wunti bida what's in a pun deserve so obeba be vice president but who deserve it na Akufo Addo na wabetena se edi nioma pani bi agu akwamu de ma man Ghana ama na benefit wo ma me benefit wo papa benefit obi ano kura no wo di na tam ba ni hia chi no so wo pa MP edi enti wo ba be stand as a Gomoa MP how much more napo Senapo a disrespect Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na wo hu ni say ye bone a adenti na wo na wo correct na pono wo the same person wutime tena o platform so didi MPP fo atem edidi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia edidi Akufo Addo edidi one kasankasa wo godfather Kofo wo di na tem so ya boa because we say wo be support MPP bia wo ya boa Kofo so ye MPP ni oponi hiachi okra wo se wo pese wo di MP na napo.
Are we okay? Are we really okay? Yeah, just say okay. President John Mahama ukromu inkrana sabi papa wote no say Ghana Republic 1960. Are we serious? Just say yeah serious pa. Hey, are we okay? Are we really okay? Yeah, just say okay. President John Mahama ukromu inkrana sabi papa wote no enzu ayiri fa wo ma ye kobompa ye Friday akopeden ye kobompa ye se Nyankopon na emeboaye ye akwadwofo ama bibia ye de hye mpaibo wan ka se Friday ye nkodwene ekwan a ye be foso solve flooding ye be solve doom so ye be solve unemployment adwuma eni ho ye be solve apomuden ensema obitimi ko hospital no akowu yankasa Friday ye kobompa ye kobodwa 16 regions ni nyina ye kwede a ye kwede Nyankopon ase say Ghana Republic 1960 are we serious just say ye serious pa
so ene da no se mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just say ye nim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia eden na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na meya ma mo na busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan serious so can in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders a ke bi aka the new patriotic party the leaders of the party ke bi aka borrow omodom kwa another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact they are equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look say here hospitals and they go sana no me say it is a Kenyan say na no me nyina be ya. This can kwa kanye de wasa botumi we say oh I mean say we say people for akonfo. Name akonfo to ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. Akonfo to ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. You say anya Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo keke mo kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntum we asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntum nko nyina ho. Politicians ni come on to nko nyina ho market women no come on to nko nyina ho obi an kana ntu nko nyina ya ho 2020 dua they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete nanze bibini na kasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk. I didn't same credit. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you Rajon Dramani ma say all members come to Mutu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey Rajon Dramani mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia. E na gafo say okay, me beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for tro ye about council of state member voter region. Na me say fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwe the letter now was say council of state member no wo ye former staff Emanam 1. Which is never true.
Onye juma order.
Onye juma wɔ da. And onye juma wɔ da. I'm a number 1 for the first time. Number 1 I post. Oh yes, number 1 I post.
Ya no catch you be say o di pa ne boa.
O